Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I want to show you how you can add one of my favorite assessment tools, Formative, to your G Suite domain. Now, you'll find it here in the G Suite Marketplace, and I'm signed in as an administrator, so I have two options here to either install it domain-wide or install it individually. If you're watching this video and you only see the simple install button, that means that you're not signed in as an administrator. So make sure you're signed in as an administrator if you want to deploy it domain-wide. So now I'm going to click Domain Install, and I'll have this little message here. And I need to, of course, verify that I'm actually the administrator and I want to install it. And you can see here I can turn it on for everyone in my domain or for one of my groups. I'm going to install it for everyone in the domain. And now everyone in my domain will find it in that little launcher icon. So that little launcher icon for your G Suite apps, it will be available right up there. Now, if you're an individual user of GoFormative or you don't have domain administrator rights, or you just want to add it to your account without having to go through an administrator, you can find it in the G Suite Marketplace. Click Install, click Continue, and in this case you can see I'm just using my Gmail account. And now it'll become a part of the apps that are available in my launcher for my G Suite apps. Now if you're curious about GoFormative or Formative, you can find it at goformative.com. It's a great assessment tool. One of its best aspects is the option to have students handwrite responses or hand draw responses to questions and grade those responses directly inside your teacher panel. You can also use Formative, which you'll find at goformative.com, for creating image-based and document-based online assessments. And I have more tutorials and reviews of it on my YouTube channel as well as on freetech4teachers.com, and I'll link those up in the description of this video. As always, for more tips and tricks like this, please check out freetech4teachers.com and practicaledtech.com.